One of the satisfied users have just got the can of 5 liters of FR104 concentrate. He thought he should prepare a video to help the other users of FR104. He has collected the recently soldered PCB assemblies, ready for cleaning. He is going to use FR104 solution with an ultrasonic cleaning device. He has already poured the diluted solution in the ultrasonic cleaner. Ultrasonic cleaning is now powered on. See how the flux is separated from the PCB assemblies in just a few seconds. He has taken the cleaned lot out and inspecting the PCBs for the quality of cleaning. If required, the PCBs may be lightly brushed to further clean. Finally, dipping the assembly in water bath to remove the traces of deactivated flux and the cleaning solution. Wow! The assembly looks clean and bright. He seems very happy. Thanks to FR104 PCB cleaning solution,